Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin, starting on the weekly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So in a ways, Bitcoin, I still think that Bitcoin's clarity is definitely on the monthly time frame. That's where you can see a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I still think that Bitcoin is going to continue to drift up, probably taking out the high of wave 3. If it really is a wave 5, you have to keep in mind that shortly after it makes new all-time highs, it's probably going to make a very, very dramatic turn to the downside, which eventually will very likely take out the low of wave 4. So keep that in mind. Let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it's a very messy pattern, but wave fives are very often very messy overlapping patterns. I still think this first move up is a 1. I still think this right here is a 2. And I think we are very likely in a wave 3 right now, which will probably look something like that. Then probably eventually make a wave 4 and probably back up eventually for the wave 5. Expecting it to make a nice 5-way pattern to the upside, looking something like that. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we're definitely still primarily looking for longs. It's pretty much just continues to make 5 waves up and then ABC down. 5 waves up, probably ABC down. So I think there's a pretty good chance that we are in a correction to the last 5 waves up. But if it really is a wave 3 of wave 5 on the higher time frames, then I wouldn't expect it to go down much beyond the 38% before it just keeps on trending up. And honestly, I mean, it really hasn't even broken structure yet, so it could easily just keep on trending up from here. I definitely would be looking for longs in an uptrend right now. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we don't even technically have a break of structure yet. So this could easily just be a subdivision of a much bigger wave 3 of wave 5 uptrend. Now, looking at the pattern, it does kind of seem like it might end up doing something like this. You know, this would be like an A, this would be like a B, and then down for a C, maybe down to like the 38%, before it actually does end up continuing that uptrend. So be cautious a little bit. I definitely personally would be doing nothing but looking for logs in an uptrend right now. But if it does decide to make a wave B and go down for a wave C, then you would probably just expect to see like a 38 or maybe 50% pullback before it does really end up continuing the uptrend. As long as we don't get a break of structure to the downside on like the daily to 4 hour time frame, I would continue to primarily only look for longs and only look to go long at the end of 3-way pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.